Hey my peeps, let's make some churros, some fake big churros. So you're gonna need to get some clay, white clay. I mixed a little bit of classic caramel acrylic paint in there. Now you want to make sure that this clay is really soft and stretchy, because you're gonna put it in a piping bag. So you might want to add a little bit of water just to make it a little softer, and just keep stretching it and until you get it nice and soft. Then you're gonna just stuff it in a piping bag. I suggest you get you a nice strong piping bag, like a Wilton bag or something like that, because if you use something thinner than that, it might bust out. So I used a 6B tip with this bag, and basically you're just gonna squeeze out your churros, because that tip is perfect for churros, the 6B tip. And squeeze out as many as you want. It comes, look how easy it comes out, because that clay is really soft. It's not hurting my hand or anything to squeeze it out. You just got to make sure you get the right consistency, okay? Now you're going to have to let that dry overnight, okay? So I have some here, and I'm going to get my classic caramel, and I'm just going to dry brush some color on there. Now, after I did the dry brush, I was thinking that maybe I should have just painted them. I don't know. It's that I feel like when you use like a paintbrush and paint, it just gets too deep in the crevices and it just takes away from the look. So that's why I dry brushed, but I should have dry brushed it a little bit more. I feel like I have some spots, some open like white spots. But anyway, you paint it better than me. So this is fake sugar. I got that from Playco 3. And now you can mix that with a little bit of cinnamon, okay? Cinnamon is a bug deterrent, so you don't have to worry about that. Or if you don't want to do that, you could take some brown clay and file it really good until you get a fine shavings from it, and mix it with that. So this is what I have. I mixed it in there with the fake sugar and some cinnamon, but I didn't, if you could see, I didn't mix it that good and it looks spotty, right? Make sure you mix it really well, okay? And maybe you should, instead of pouring it on, because you know most of the cinnamon will probably just spill off, do it with your fingers. I kind of just poured it on there, which I should have not did that. I should have did it with my fingers. That way the coconuts, oh Lord Jesus, that way the sugar and the cinnamon mixed well. You see it look a little splotchy and spotty? That's because the cinnamon didn't mix properly with my fake sugar. So make sure you do mix it well so it won't look like mine. And I hope you make some, and I'll talk to you soon. Bye.